here's a snap. You can maximize your time during some of the more mundane tasks of your day. One of those things for me is when I have to walk my dog. Say hi. I don't think he wants to. Anyway, as I walk my dog, there are things that I like to think about, whether it's the work day, but what I've learned to do is use that thinking time strategically. I am working on a book that I've been working on the past 10 years. And during this walking time, this is the time my characters have space to breathe and I can think through who they are, what they're doing, what's developing. And when I get home, anything that really sticks, I can actually put it down in my notebook. The same works for you. In those mundane day-to-day tasks, if you can identify something that doesn't require any physical exertion, more so mental, that you can do while you're doing some physical task, that can be very helpful. Things like meditating, or thinking about characters in a book, or your poetry, or a speech you have to give, or maybe you just need space to not think or absorb kind of the natural world around you. Whatever it is, use that time wisely so that you can create space for yourself when you get home or to your office or wherever that physical space is to kind of move on to other things. So the mundane is a good thing.